Alright, good day guys, welcome to our YouTube video. In this video we are going to show you how you can produce marble dust using items, colorful marble dust for that matter. We are going to show you how you can do it using local items like marble dust, coloring agents, etc, etc. We are going to show you how you can do it yourself and how you can produce marble dust of a quality like this. Now this is quality marble dust and it is of a high grade because we are going to use it for marble trowel. When you want to get your marble dust, one thing you want to put in mind is you tell your chemical supplier where you buy your chemicals for your painting and other decorative item what you want to use your marble dust for, so as to know the grade that will be suitable. We want to use our marble dust for marble trowel application, so for that reason and for the purpose of this video we are using 1mm grade. So the items you will need is you need your colorant. This is your color paste. You need your marble dust, and then if need be you might need water you have to add. So you pour your color paste inside of your marble dust and then you stir. You want to try as much as you can to mix it very well. You stir your marble dust. That is what you do next. You allow it to saturate. And you might also need to add a little more color to it if you want it to be very colorful. We are not going to add water, although when you need to check to see how the outcome of your color, then you will be able to tell if you need to add water or not. So we're going to stir it very well to make sure that we have a good production. So don't forget, the items you will be needing for production of marble dust is you need your marble dust. You want to buy a high grade. You also need your coloring agent. You might also need water. So we are showing you the process of production, and as you can see from here, you can see that this thing has a good outcome. Look at how beautiful it is, and this is just the yellow color. There are more than 1,000 colors to choose from depending on color of your choice, but because we have only 2 colors here, we are going to produce only 2 colors. So you divide your marble dust into different portions. If you have 5 colors to produce, then you divide it into 5 different portions, but we are going to divide our marble dust into 2 portions here because we have only 2 colors. You can see the difference from what we had before and what we have now. So we want you to like our videos, to comment on our video, and to try as much as you can to subscribe, as we bring you quality and quality videos giving you value for your time. In our next video we are going to talk about how you can actually apply this product, but for now we are going to spread this product under the sun. We are going to allow it to dry in order for us to see the outcome. So we are going to add our marble dust to this one we had already done before now. You see how colorful the marble dust is. You see that there is no difference at all to the one we had before and now. So we just want to show you how you can produce this item yourself. This is a do-it-yourself video. We want you to appreciate this video by subscribing, and in our subsequent video we are going to show you how you can apply this thing. We're also going to show you how it can be marketed so that you're able to make profit out of it. There you go, very beautiful, very beautiful. Remember, you can choose any color of your choice. It doesn't necessarily have to be yellow. If you're not somebody who loves yellow, you can choose green, you can choose blue, you can choose pink, you can choose purple, whatever color of your choice. You can choose black. So for now we are using yellow and green, depending on the color you have hand, and you can get your color from your local paint store. You can also get your marble dust from your local paint store and then put it in a colorful way like this. So right now we are going to see how we can use other colors. We have another color here. We are going to see how we can use the green color to make this thing look beautiful. You can also mix it with the white color we already have, the white color marble dust, to give it a colorful look. So ordinarily our marble dust is in white color, and sometimes it has some black spots in it. So when you add these colors to it, it gives you a wonderful color, a wow color. So that is that for that. So we want to look at the production, how we can produce the green color. It is almost the same thing with producing the yellow, but we want to see the color effects of mixing 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or more colors to our marble dust. So this is how your marble dust looks like. You want to remember, guys, that you have to spread it under the sun, and once your marble dust is dry, it is ready for packaging. It is ready for distribution and marketing. You can package your marble dust in a transparent bag so that people can actually see the color and make a choice from the color that of their choice. It can be packaged in 5 kg, in 10 kg, 20 kg, whatever kg you want to package it, and then you can actually market it and make profit out of it. You can also apply it yourself. In our next video, like I said, we are going to show you how you can apply your marble dust in order to bring out the desired results. So right now we are going to produce another color, and we are going to align it with this one to see how colorful it is. Don't forget, I want you to like our video, drop your comments, and try as much as you can to subscribe so we can bring you more videos and give you value for your time. So I want to apply the other color, that is the green color. We are using the same bucket for it, just for the purpose of this video. But if you want to produce paints or make a production of different color, you have to use different bowl for it. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to use this bowl so as to save your time and also to just show you that you can do it yourself. So we pour our marble dust, which is the first thing to do, and then you add your color. Like I told you, whenever you want to get your marble dust from the market, always explain to your chemical store, explain that the purpose of your marble dust, because marble dust can be used for different things. But for the sake of this video, we want to show you how you can use it for marble trowel. So marble dust come in different grades. We are using 1 mm grade. So you see, we already have our green color. You see how it's coming out nice. At the end of the day, we are going to see exactly why this marble dust is here. It's an item that we sell. I want you to appreciate our video. I want you to subscribe to it. So we are adding more color to make it deep and rich in color. So it's almost done. It's almost done. You have to stir it very well. So I think we mixed thoroughly. Stir it thoroughly. And like I said, always use different bowl of mixing. We're only using the same bowl because I want to show you how you can do it. But it does not affect the color anyway. So after you have stirred properly and you are sure the thing is well mixed, the next thing you do is to to pour your marble dust on a sheet. Make sure it is dried under the sun, and immediately your marble dust is dry, you know the next thing to do. Your marble dust is ready for distribution. You package it in a transparent water bag, on a transparent nylon, and you can actually package it and sell it. You can package it in 5 kg, 2 kg, depending on the need of your customer. It can also be packaged in 10 kg, 20 kg, of your choice. In our next video, like I said, we are going to apply this product. So that is it for it. So we are now going to put it together. See how the color variation you can get from your marble dust. You see the color variation, you see how it looks. You see, isn't it this beautiful? Imagine having this thing on your wall. How beautiful and lovely it will look. Wow, this is perfect. This is really colorful. This is colorful. This is colorful. So basically we are done with how to produce colorful marble dust for painting and decoration. This is a do-it-yourself video. In our next video, we are going to talk about how you can apply this thing on your wall, how you can actually apply this thing yourself, and subsequently we are going to give you ideas on how to make profit marketing this product. We're also going to drop our social media handles in the comment section below. You can find us on all social media handles. You can reach us via email. You can also reach us via this handle, this YouTube channel. Thanks one more time for watching our video, and we are painters in Lagos.